So here's one of those Twitter replacement apps which you might want to check out. It's called MetaText, open source Mastodon app. So what does it mean? So Mastodon is basically like open source code for creating like social media app similar to Twitter. There is a separate Mastodon client for iPhone which you can check out. But this is also another app which is using Mastodon. So MetaText is a free, modern, open source and accessible Mastodon client. Multiple accounts, you can add multiple accounts and even use several accounts simultaneously with iPad multitasking. Emoji, you can use emoji, custom timeline management, all of that. No tracking or any information shared with third parties. What is Mastodon? It's a social network of the future. No ads, no corporate surveillance, ethical design, and decentralization. So no ads tracking, algorithmic timeline. So that's basically, I think, what the future looks like for a lot of these like social networks. So yeah. So let's explore how it works. And then you need to enter the URL of Mastodon instance you wish to connect to. So I also have Mastodon app, original Mastodon. So here it is. So let's try Mastodon online. And then you just need to sign in with your Mastodon account. So here, because I'm already signed in my web browser, I can just authorize. So yeah, there you have it. And then I can just explore this, how it works. This is my timeline. I can see some local tabs. I can see my profile. I can see explore. I can follow some accounts. I can cancel follow. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, this is how it looks like. There are a lot of Mastodon instances. There are a lot of these different, chats and all of that. It's kind of like, as I understand, Discord servers, because the software itself is open source. So practically anyone can just go and create Mastodon instance. So that's basically how it works. Then there are messages, and there is timeline. So here you can see some posts here. And then you can see profile. And then you can see account settings. Then you can see accounts. And you can see lists, favorites, bookmarks, preferences. Change app icon. So yeah, something like that. Autoplay GIFs, autoplay videos, animate avatars. So that's basically the idea of how it might work. Notifications, messages. Yeah, and then you can create your own post. You can attach files, you can attach polls. So something around it. I don't know. You can add warning. It's interesting. There are all these custom emojis, and there is a limit of characters, 500 characters, and then I just posted it. So kind of similar to Twitter, as you can see. It's pretty same interface. Just the thing is, yeah, there are a lot of these instances. It's a bit confusing. So, and a lot of people can't really like figure out at the moment right now. I'm also like, I don't know, like, what is the main instance of Mastodon? How do you know, like, this is like the twitter.com website, this is where all the users hang out? Or is it just like, just completely separate forums, like you have subreddits on Reddit? So I have no idea about that. But anyhow, this is what it is. Hope this is helpful.